Good afternoon. We are from grade 4 class. My name is Baramai. My name is Liman. My name is Normai.
My name is Musa.
My name is Sophie. Today we are going to teach you how to use slime. These are the materials that we're going to use. First is glue, borax, shaving cream, paint, glitters, and some water. First, we're gonna use glue. And then we're gonna put some paint. And then we're gonna put shaving cream. And then we're gonna put glitters. And then we're gonna put borax. And then we're going to add some water. Somebody already must be. Lots of glitters. Lots of glitters. Many little glitters. Good. Look. Yeah. My name is Christian. My name is Ina. And I'm Risha.
Falling down, falling down, falling down. The bridge is falling down. My fair lady, build it up with sticks and stones, sticks and stones, sticks and stones. Build it up with sticks and stones. My fair lady.
It's too much porridge.
Sticks and stones will all fall down, fall down, all fall down. Sticks and stones will all fall down. My fair lady, build it up with wood and clay,
Sure.
wood and clay, wood and clay. Build it up with wood and clay. My fair lady.
Then at the boards.
Wood and clay will wash away, wash away, wash away. Wood and clay will wash away.
Most of it.
Fair lady, build it up with iron and steel, iron and steel, iron and steel. Build it up with iron and steel, my fair lady.
Mấy. It's okay, it's now good.